Go toward Daddy. Yep, stay in the road. There you go. Oh, don't stop.
We can turn around in the bottom of Judy's driveway.
Go toward Daddy. Stop.
I think you're optimistic about her ability to drive.
Come on.
Sorry.
Oh.
Terry, okay. Okay, ready? She wants Mommy to go away. She wants Terry to leg forward. Leg. Leg. Turn that way. There you go. Keep it pointed towards Daddy. Go backwards road, okay? Backwards means stop. You keep it pointed towards Daddy. Whoop! Unless you make the crash and you're going to get hurt. You gotta stay on the concrete. Go where Daddy is. Can you go for Daddy? Turn your wheel till you face Daddy. Point your head
No,
towards
this way.
Daddy. There you go. And keep going.
Keep pedaling.
Stay forward. Leg. Whoop. Get that frog in the Alright, ready? Forward. Leg. Turn it towards Daddy. Leg. Leg.
Whoa!